It is the month of October and it is getting a little bit colder. And with all the amazing produce available out there at this time of the year, it's the best time to make some beautiful soups and ragu. And today I made a stew for dinner, and it's quite simple. You can really throw in whatever vegetables you have there, but let me show you what I've got. So I had some beef cubes and also some lamb cubes. So I mixed the two. Saute the meat first to brown it on all sides, and then add an onion to this and saute the onion. And then after I finish that, I put 1 tablespoon of flour, one and a bit. So that will create just the thickness for our broth here. And after that, you just keep adding all what you like. I put about a cup of red wine, which makes it taste good. A little bit of tomato paste, like 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I have 1 stick of cinnamon here that I can fish out. And I have also some lemongrass. I put a few sticks of that. And 2 cloves also that I throw in. But apart from that, we have sweet potato, we have pumpkin, carrots, celery, and the onion. I added 2 bay leaves, and we're ready to taste and serve that for our dinner. So let me just get a nice plateful here of goodness. Oh, the broth is actually just a perfect, it's not a soup, it's not a sauce, it's right in between, and it's perfect. A little bit more meat here, et voila. Wow. This is a beautiful winter stew. We're gonna be making that many times through the winter. It's just easy and delicious. Bon appetit!